Kenapa tutup? Kenapa tutup? Tapi saya marik. Aha. Pagi semua.
Mister pulang.
Iya. Oh, jangan. No, saya bukan bapak.
Yes.
Cari uang di bapak.
Oh iya.
Saya miskin.
Oke, engkau miskin.
Kenapa tidak di sekolah?
Kami kesiar.
Ah.
Di pantai di jeti.
Oke, saya cari tempat sana.
Oke,
Di alam. Oke. Oke, selamat.
Iya bro.
Oke, bro. Pagi mancing. Good morning! I'm Wal Edgar, and every episode is an adventure. So I continue to ride around this impressive volcano. It's a new day, new spot, but still same beautiful. This volcano can erupt any minute. I've told you, literally 1 minute later it erupted. Alright, it's really nice here over the water, but it's getting really hot and I have no food today, so I would like to get in there to check what's under the water, hopefully get some nice fish and cook it right here. Just before we dive in, guys, please support my channel by subscribing if you still haven't, and smash that like button. It's not difficult, is it? Let's go. I'm back. Got this guy. And I got this guy. Actually, it's very pity, but leopard sweet lips escaped. I tried to look for it. Then I went far away there. It was very nice. And then on my way back, I thought again I'm gonna try to find the leopard sweet lips, because it went into the coral cave system and yeah, and disappeared. But I got this guy instead. It wasn't exactly the same spot. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm really out of energy. I was diving maybe 3 hours, so I'm gonna cut a chunk of bluefin and I'm gonna eat raw fish salad with cucumber. Then what else do I have? I don't have much things. I have cucumber, lime, and chili pepper and some spices. So, and then I'm gonna cook the rest. Let's go. Boom! Should be ready, like 10-15 minutes already passed. Let's go. It's so simple, so basic. Just cucumber, chili peppers, fish, what else I added, and lime and soy sauce. That's it. You leave for 10 minutes and it's amazing. Awesome day, awesome reef. Many fish, but in the end I was out of breath. I was diving a little bit deeper and I could not get anything. But still, got 2 fishes. I'm more sad that leopard sweet lips escaped than I'm happy that I got 2 fishes, because it should have been that leopard sweet lips instead of that small other fish. Now he's gonna die for sure, because I hit him. I think I hit him nicely near the gills. Alright, see you in a bit. Alright, fish is on. Gonna take a while. Most important is not to overcook, because I'm gonna be too dry and not that tasty. So I'm not rushing anywhere anyway. It's an amazing spot. Sunset gonna be soon, but should be fine. It should be ready until sunset. Hey, finally, just before the sunset actually started already, and full moon came up. Awesome movement. I'm gonna start with this fella. I forgot the name. Something maybe Reef Yellow or something. I don't know. If you don't overcook it, it's nice, and I think now it should be really good. It's all black, but doesn't matter, because I left the skin on. It has not scales, it has skin. Bluefin has small scales, but this guy has skin, so I left it on. Inside looks really good. Whoa. Not bad for sure. similar to bluefin. Maybe bluefin a little bit better, especially if you eat it raw, like I did before. That's actually another volcano, and that's where I am headed after I'm gonna complete my ride around this volcano, which is there now. There's still one more spot left, but I decided to stay here one more day, so I'm staying tomorrow, this night, and then tomorrow night as well, because it's awesome. This nice reef is promising. I saw some decent fish, some big midnight snappers, and other fish like jobfish. Just I could not get to. They were kinda deep. I was out of breath at that moment. So yeah, I'm staying another day, and then I'm traveling there. Also, there is one spot, like a huge cape. Probably gonna check there. Then near the volcano, I know an unbelievable place, probably my best spot in the whole Indonesia. We'll stay there as well for a couple of days, and then I will try to climb that volcano. Why I'm saying try? Because it's not popular. There is almost no trail. It's no shelters, no signs, no nothing. Just no raw nature, like just untouched. So I will try. I will put my best, but that's in the future. For now, let's enjoy this beautiful view. Good morning. It's time to get breakfast. No fish in the morning. It was really strong current. I could not land where I want, so I could not target the fish what I wanted, like midnight snapper. Then in the end I saw some job fishes cruising around, but you know, my gun is too short for job fishes. They just kinda play with you, but they don't come too close. So yeah, I came back, and now in Uncle Edgar's kitchen I'm gonna be having something very basic. Some rice here, aubergine, eggplant, I don't know how you call it, garlic, And in the end, when it's gonna be ready, I'm gonna put some nuts on top and gonna put some spices. Very basic, just to get some energy. Let's go. Oh, and I found some not very good looking tempeh, but if you fry it, it's good because it's actually alive. It's fermented soybeans. It's one of so-called superfoods, and I really recommend you to try it out if you still haven't. Of course not in this state, but even this is alright. Let's go. Whew, it's getting hot in here. See you in the water. Well, it's not that easy to find wood here, because it's just all these bush slash trees. I don't know what to do now. Oh, I'm saved. One of my favorite fishes, actually top two, coral trout, and this thing, this fella, goatfish. They don't grow big. This is actually a regular size. Let's go. Like this. The quality of the wood is great. It's not an inside. What the hell? That's it from this awesome place. Tomorrow I'm packing and moving there. There is one more potential amazing spot near this volcano, so you're gonna see that in the next episode. And I want to remind you about two things. First, please support me by subscribing if you still haven't, and that life is for living. See you in the next one.